Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the first of the 3 mini palettes that I picked up from Beauty Bay. It should have been, I think, about £20 for all 3. I got them for I think about £11. I think it was about £11. So I picked all 3 up. By looking at my eyes, you know we've reviewed this palette today. You get a good decent size mirror in there, guys, so it's good for traveling. Just thought I really wanted to play with these colours today. These shimmers are gorgeous. So you get 4 shimmers and 5 matte shades in the palette. On screen how much they are singly if you want to like pick one out singly. But this is the first one that I'm going to be doing. Yeah, and this is the look that I've come up with. So guys, these are all the swatches and they look absolutely gorgeous. So from my wrist up we have Baby Doll, Sofa, which is that beautiful pinky shimmer. Then we have Macaron. Next to it we have a gorgeous pink called Fuchsia. Next to that one we have Lilo. Then we have the gorgeous shimmer called Cloud, which I'm obsessed with. Then we've got like a darker purple, a deeper purple, and that's called Journal. I'm not sure how to pronounce this next shimmer. It is a shimmer, but it's like a brownie shimmer. Jura? J-U-R-A. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. And then we have the gorgeous burgundy, deep burgundy, which is called Loyalty. So if you want to see how I created this look today, then please keep on watching. Start off by doing the eyebrows. Just a brow story. So basically this is supposed to be the dupe for the Anastasia Brow Freeze. I've only used this probably once or twice. It looks like snail goop. How are you guys doing? Summer is literally here now. I'm just literally brushing that through my brows, making them all nice and bushy because we like them bushy over here. Taking my Revolution brow pencil in dark brown. Sisters and not twins over here. I'm going to pop a bit of this on. Now, am I being brave? So this is the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. Smells like nettles. Oh, I can feel the tingle already. So I'm going to use my P. Louise as always. That's really starting to tingle now. I can feel it. So I'm just going to take some of that P. Louise on the back of my hand and carve out the brows and all the good stuff. I feel like my lips are on fire. First palette I'm going to be playing with, so I've got 3 as you would have seen in the intro. So the first one I'm going to play with is Berrie'S, and I obviously, like I said in the intro, I've got the 9 palettes. She looks pretty. So this is the palette. Very pretty. Ooh, I'm thinking Halo Eye. Go in with Loyalty first and just pop that down. I'm going to use this really flat brush. I'm literally just pressing that down and then I'll blend it out. Jessup's Petite Crease Brush. And I'm going to go into the lightest pink, which is called Doll. And now I'm just going to cut the crease with the P. Louise base. I think I'm definitely going to go into Cloud and pop that with my finger because finger's the best. Oh yeah. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, pretty. Oh God, look how much that's shifted over. Back, it's like, I don't know what kind of texture. It's like a spongy texture, but it's pushed back. So I'm going to go into Loyalty again and just pop that in the outer and inner corners, just to bring that definition back. I'm going to go in with my Il Makiage Black Wing Liner Pen. Probably quite a dramatic wing because we are putting lashes on today. Now let's see if I can do it on the bloody other eye. We're going to have to pray to the eye gods. Do they? I mean, a little bit of concealer might help. And lashes will help. I hate doing this bit. I just feel like I'm going to poke myself in the eye. Curl the lashes, honey. If you know, you know. It's the Essence Lash Princess. The names come off it. So it's probably way too old to be using, but am I going to use it? Yes, I am. So guys, for lashes today, we are going in with these. So these are the Ardell Magnetic Mega Hold Liner and Lash. So you get a maximum hold all day long, flexible and magnetic Invisablend. So bloody gorgeous. So let's pop them on my eye, shall we? I've just spat everywhere, which is probably disgusting. Let's have a little bit of orange juice. Oh, she tangy. So, I've not even had no coffee yet this morning. I'm just going to measure these up against my eyes, see if I need to cut these girls down or not. Do we? Oh, bloody hell. Oh! Lash on the floor. God, no, it's got all bloody dog hairs on. Of course it has. Of course it has, honey. I've only ever used magnetic lashes from eBay and they were absolutely crap. So I'm hoping Ardell are going to bring the game. So you get the Duo Magnetic Adhesive in black. This is going to go either very, very good or very, very bad, very, very quickly. When I got the one from Amazon, it literally was like water and just messed up the eye makeup that I did. This is not as watery. Let's try. Yeah, I think it's worked. So I'm going to just do the other one. Don't worry about this eye because it's been playing me up like a little biatch. So I'm going to leave the eyes the way they are at the moment. Just let them chill for a little minute. And then we're going to go on to the face. So now that the lip stuff, oh bloody hell, this is annoying. The bejeebus out of me. I think it needs a bit more of the stuff, the adhesive, because this inner part is just not wanting to stick. And I'm about to lose my goddamn mind over it. I don't know if my lips have gone any plumpier than normal, but we move. So for primer, I'm going to be using this one. So this is the W7 Glow Primer. I got it from the range for about £1.99. Holy shit. Did not expect it to be that colour, but we move. So, oh, it smells quite, I don't know what that smell is, but it smells like summer. Jesus, I look like the Tin Man right now. I was going to use some highlight. I think I might still use it, even though, you know, once you're a Tin Man, you've got to commit. So I was going to use this as well. So this is like glow drops. It's from Jacka Black. I got it in one of the mystery boxes. I can't remember which one. So it's a highlighting, it's another primer. I'm just going to probably top up like my cheekbones with it. It's vegan friendly, cruelty free, and it's in Rose Pearl. I'm just going to use it like on the cheekbones just to highlight them a little bit more than what they are now. Oh, she glowy. I'm going to put a little bit of that on my nose, chin, forehead, all over the body. All over, honey, really, aren't I? Does anyone else just wipe the hands down on the joggers or whatever they're wearing? Normally it's pyjama bottoms, I'm not going to lie. It's business on top and relaxation down the bottom. Cost me £39. It's the Il Makiage one. You do like a little survey online. I'm not a massive fan, but I'm just going to use it up. That's the whole that's the whole purpose of using this. I mean, you might have this foundation and you might like it, but I do like it, don't get me wrong, but once you've wore it for a bit, it just really emphasises how dry my skin is, and I don't like that. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Age Eraser Concealer. I'm going to take the Revolution Conceal and Define, and this one is their Infinite one. And I'm taking it in shade 11.5 for a little bit of cream bronzy contour. So now I'm going to go in with the Revolution. This is my favourite powder, guys. So this is the coconut one, and it's the baking powder. And I just use, this is a pencil from Colourworks. It's just an eye pencil, and it's in the shade, I have no idea. It's like a metallic brown shade. It's like a metallic brown, because it doesn't have a shade name on it. I'm going to go back onto the under eye while that bake is just there. I'm going to take this angle brush from Jessup's, and what shade do we want to go in? So I'm going to first go into Loyalty again and take that on there and go. These lashes are not the one. I'm going to take a pencil brush, go into Doll, which is the lightest pink in the palette, and literally just blend that Loyalty shade and just smudge that out. Yeah, I think that will be basically all I'm going to do for the under eye. So now I'm just literally going to take this bake off. I'm now going to put a bit of bronzer on, so I'm going to use this palette from Profusion. It's their Sparkle and Shine palette, so it's got 6 contour colours and highlight palette. So using the 2 lighter shades out of this palette, I'm going to use this really like flat brush, but it's quite fluffy. So this is a rose gold Zoeva face brush, so I'm just going to tap into these 2. I know that I said Rehab in my last video using this blush. Well, I was going to use this blush, but then I used the other blush. But I called it Rehab, and it's not. It's called Rebel. I just obviously couldn't read that day. But yeah, this is the W7 Blush Rebel, and it reminds me of the NARS Orgasm blush. So pretty. And as always, I'm going to be using my Real Techniques blush brush for this. Bit on the nose. To set it in place, I'm going to use this from Revolution. It's from their XX range, and it's their Freeze Fix. Your makeup's not going anywhere with this on, let me tell you. It's a bit like the Urban Decay All Nighter. You really want to drench your face in it. The little card, I'm just gonna fan my face because I've literally drenched it. I mean, it's still bloody coming off in that corner, and I've put loads of that stuff down. I'm gonna use this that I picked up from TK Maxx, and I got it for £2.99. It should be £19.16, and it's Snowed In, and it's from Ofra. She's very pretty. I want it a little bit more intense, so I'm going to go in with my highlight brush, really go into that shade. Now guys, we're going to go and do the lips. So I'm going to line my lips, So to line my lips, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty lip liner in Trendsetter. I'm then going to go in with Huda Beauty in Prom Night. Such a beautiful nude and I love it. So the pigment is there, guys. It is beautiful. I'm a massive fan of Beauty Bay's palettes anyway. I'm starting to get my own little collection of Beauty Bay palettes, and I absolutely love their formula. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get updated every single time that I upload a new video, which is every Sunday and Wednesday here on my channel. Don't know what that was. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I can't wait to do the other two palettes. So which would you like to see in next Sunday's video? Would you like to see the earthy one or the midnight one? Comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And yeah, this is the look, guys. What do you guys think? I love it so, so much. I knew I'd love these palettes because, like I say, my heart is with Beauty Bay. Even though my heart's with Beauty Bay, if they were crap, I would literally tell you they were crap, but they're not. They're so, I mean, they are small palettes, but you can still do really wearable looks. And if you'd like to see a more wearable look, like a day-to-day wearable look using the Berrie'S palette, then let your girl know. So until next time, I will love you and stay safe out there, whatever you are doing, guys. And thank you so much for being here and watching my videos. I love you so, so much. Bye, guys. Bye.